Hello everybody, welcome back to Trading with Zeph. Today going to be going over 3 trades I took out of the 8 trade challenge. I'm at a total of 7 at the moment. I was really focused on taking trades that I was thinking in probabilities, and I wasn't thinking in revenge trading or anything to the best of my ability. And I was really trying to let the price action just either stop me out, get my profit target, or reduce my risk, and that's basically my mindset. As you can see, we had this super bearish day for October 26th, ranging, chops down. You get 2 measured legs to the down, and then I saw this trading range, and this is when I got here today. What I basically saw was a swing up, down, up, down, up, down, and then I saw a break. Then I thought we were going to get a measured box move down, and we just get it to the halfway mark. And that's when I took my first trade, and I'll zoom in here. I didn't have this channel in place, so I'll just delete it, so there's no hindsight. What I had was basically just this little channel right here, and so I saw this as a trend down, break, new extreme. So that downtrend is now over. And then I saw first entry short, second entry short, and I basically saw this as a failed breakout, because the first breakout usually fails. So I saw it breakout, fail. I thought we were going to get a test at least back down to 41.54.75, which is the EMA. And I just dropped a stop market order, so 51.2, and that would have been basically right there. At this 3 matching bar high here. So I thought there was enough room here, especially with this break, first entry short, second entry short, nice bearish bar closing on its low off the bid line. So then I enter, 1 tick below, and it just turns into a failed second entry short, but with like a really bearish signal bar, so still hopeful there. But I just get stopped out at 2 points. I didn't even move up above the signal bar, just 2 points is what I'm trying to just stay with. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, not have a big loss. So then it chops around, and then I saw this nice big up, huge up move, and I was actually going to take a short on this bar, but it's not part of any of my system here, my trading edge, so I just skipped it, but thought I'd note it. So then I drew this channel. I'm like, okay, we'll break, new extreme for 2 legs up. So then this downtrend's over, I thought. And then I was looking at my 10,000 tick chart. Kind of realized that I think this the downtrend's just played out for today. So then I saw first entry long, pull back, and this is not a good signal bar, but this closed below. So I'm basically counting this as an outside bar, double bottom. EMA is holding above, and I saw a double bottom, and then I kind of got a little, I should have probably just dropped a limit order in, a few ticks back to 64, and if I got filled, I got filled, but I just did one stop market order right there at, let's see, 41.64.75, and looking at this now, I mean, I do have room up to here, but price is probably not going to get up to here. And then I realize right now, as I'm recording this, I'm actually just going long right into this double top. See, I don't know if this, I wasn't counting this as a double top, because you can count it both ways. Are you going to count it from the wick, or are you going to count it from the body? And if it's not from the wick, then this is just first entry long, second entry long. It's a little congested, and it is sideways, which there's definitely an argument to be made there. But EMA was holding 1, 2, 3. It's just not below. I thought there was enough bullish momentum here. And as this bar closes, I realize that if it goes 1 tick below this bar, where I move so I'm reducing my risk now, and I just go 1 tick below, this is just going to go back down. And sure enough, it did. Went down. Then this is where I took my third trade. And I probably should have just waited for this, to be honest with you. I see first entry long, second entry long, high or low. So this low, bullish bar closing on its high. Once this happens, you have to take on a lot of risk, but the probability of the trade working is usually around 80%. So now, again, I'm trying to think in probabilities. I'm trying to reduce risk. But I know if I don't get in this position, most of the time I'll just take off without you. So you just have to go long. And sure enough, so I enter. And then I sit here and I'm at 41.6675, and my 2 points is at 1, 2. And so you can see this line right there is my 2 points. And as you can see, it kept getting to 6 ticks. So 1.5 kept going to 1 point, and I'm like, I don't want to lose this trade. That is what I was thinking. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'll just, if this is all it's getting, then let me just take 6 ticks, and then I'll just reduce my risk to 1 tick underneath to 41.6575 instead of it being 2 points down. And then sure enough, right as I put it to 6 ticks, like clockwork, it rips right through, and yeah, so I moved my profit target, and then if I didn't move my profit target, I would only be red basically on commission. So now I'm red by 1 point on the day, which is still me reducing and having not a big loss. But those are my 3 trades on the day, so I'll have one more for tomorrow. Then I'm going to start a 20 trade challenge by Mark Douglas, but I want to get these in first, kind of as a warm up. And yeah, let's see what happens. So just double top now. But those are the 3 trades I took. Those were my thought process, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got my little notes here. This is actually helping a lot. Just trying to focus on the process as best I can. I'm trying to not worry about the outcome, and I'm trying to just learn the skill of it, and not get tilted from losing or anything like that. So yeah, hard work, but hopefully pays off. So anyways, those are the 3 trades I took. I'm done for today. Oh, actually, look at this too. Quick bonus: if you stayed first entry long, second entry long, and then this is a nice signal bar, double matching bottom. Of course, right when I start recording. But okay, I'll see you guys for tomorrow.